What's up guys, it's Daniel Hale, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn your business into a highly profitable machine without lowering your prices. So it's a fact, the market has changed for business owners, and I want to ask you a question before we get started. Are you tired? Are you tired of having high months, then having low months, the yo-yo effect of what most businesses are struggling with today, the unpredictable revenue that every single month seems to change, having to work on weekends, having low value customers and having to lower your prices so that you guys can get more leads, losing staff because you have low wages and you can't afford to keep them from what they're worth, begging your customers for referrals so that you can get more leads in the door and get more sales, and losing sleep and always having constant worry about your business. So we've helped multiple companies, we've helped photographers, we've helped gym owners, we've helped flooring companies, heating and air conditioning companies. Whatever your business is, this is gonna work for you. So I'm gonna talk about a quick little case study that I did with one of my clients, okay? Her name is Annie, and what we did for her, she was looking for more leads for her photography business, and within 3 days, we made her $600 off of $6. That's $1 she gave us, and every time we gave her back 100. Our gym owners, within the first month of starting to work with us, accumulated $10,000 to $15,000 in extra sales per month and lowered their cost per lead, and they were receiving about 30 to 40 leads per month. And in the heating and air conditioning and contracting world, where you have to pay Google and get your clicks and your rates that are about $50 to $60 per customer, we lowered that down a lot. Okay, so we were able to generate more sales, more leads for them at a lower cost per click using direct targeted marketing for their niche, and that is how we did it. So a question that I have for you now is, where is your next customer coming from? Okay, and if you don't know the answer to that, then that in itself is why your business is struggling. So as we move forward here, I want to introduce you to something that's going to absolutely blow your mind. Okay, the fastest growing companies in the world today are all doing one thing. They are all running Facebook ads. Now, I'm sure you've heard of Facebook ads before, but I want to introduce you to some really cool strategies and some important numbers that are important for your business. It's interesting to note that Adidas has recently stepped away from TV advertising, and it's moved all of its marketing dollars into social media advertising, and it did so for a reason, and I'm going to show you why, and we're going to discuss that. But it wasn't just Adidas, okay? Gary Vaynerchuk just recently reported that Wish.com, which is an e-commerce website, recently they moved 100% of their marketing dollars into social media advertising, and they are $1 billion company with just a few years. So a couple of things that we want to point out so that you can beat your competitors and get the leads that they are looking for before they do is super important, okay? So a few different things of why Facebook ads are so important and less expensive. It's highly targeted, okay? So it makes it a lot better for you to get leads in the door at a lower cost, all right? So we have local TV ads that run you about $10,000 a month, plus they are also untargeted ads. You have local print ads, but those are untargeted ads as well. They have no lead capture. Local radio, which is about $5,000 a month and is also untargeted. And then you also have Google AdWords, which is going to run you about $15 per click. So with Facebook ads, let me explain why it is so important, okay? We target customers specifically for you in your business niche that's gonna make it so that you lower your cost per click and you get a lot more leads, okay? So the way it works is we target your exact audience by location, by age, and by gender. And if you're also a local business, we make it so that the radius within your business is targeted anywhere from 8 to 10 miles, so that way we know that it's right in the range of your local area. We put your best offer in front of them, we capture your market's attention, and we convert them into prospects. Okay, so what we do is we design your ad for you and we post it on Facebook and Instagram with an advertisement. We build the website and landing page for you where we can capture your leads' information, and then we send them over to a thank you page. You guys get their information and you can call them with the offer that we've already created for you. So essentially, you guys can see what we do is we take the guesswork out of growing your business and we show you exactly where your leads are coming from and how you can get them. Okay, so let me show you a little potential revenue to gain, an ROI on your investment. Okay, so let's say we're a gym. If we capture you 100 leads in 1 month, which is very doable, and we only convert 20 of them at a 20% conversion, which is a low number, so it's very believable. We're giving you guys a low number here on average. And let's say we're doing a boot camp. So one member equals $600 per boot camp. At 20%, that's 20 people. Each month, that's $12,000 in revenue. Okay, and if you guys know your lifetime value of your client, no matter what the business niche is, you're gonna be able to accumulate better numbers here and have a little bit of a better price point. So let's say the lifetime value on each member in a gym is $2,000. Now we're looking at each month a total of $12,000 in new sales and a total here of $2,000 per client in the future that will carry on as well. So you can see here how this Facebook advertising can be so important and highly profitable for your business. So because we're experts in this field, we show you guys which ads we should be running. We show you the ones that have worked for us before, the landing pages that have worked before, all the targeting, all the stuff that we have used in the past. I would like to invite you guys to click the link down below, and I want you to schedule a strategy call, okay? This strategy call is free, where we're gonna jump on the phone, we're gonna break down your business, we're gonna find out how we can help you, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out your target market so that we can put your audience right in your lap for your business and teach you guys how you can beat your competitors. So I'll see you guys soon. I look forward to talking with you, and thank you for watching this video.